Hey guys, a video on Samsara. I'm making some adjustments because we don't see any strength here. With adjustment, I mean that I relocated this wave 1 and this wave 2. Basically, this wave 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then A, B, C inside this wave 2 in a sideways correction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this wave 3. Now wave 4, but invalidation is at 30.88. I did add the pink 1-to-1 here from this A and this B wave. We could go down and test it, but we might as well invalidate this count, okay? Would that turn me bearish on this one? Nope, because to me, if you zoom out this, yeah, this looks too overlappy. This looks too much like a corrective move to me. You can see a very clear 3-wave in here, not a 5-wave move. We have overlap, we hit the 618 as well, so it's, to me, all good. And then yeah, we had a crazy pump here with the earnings report. Often you close the gap when you have such a move up, okay? So that's this blue line, the gap at 29.95. Below that we have this range and the point of control at 28.99. And yeah, if this invalidates, I'm gonna have to shift to labeling. You can see here the wave 1 is a clear 3-wave move, ABC. What I will do then is label this an ABC and wave 1, and then label your wave 3 also as an ABC, okay? Because yeah, clearly we don't have a 5-wave move here. It happens then that sometimes all of your structures are a 3-wave move. Are 3-wave motive structures, okay? For example, SoFi, you can see here clearly a 3-wave move in your wave 1, and based on this, I did say very early on, like when I started to make the videos, I said, look, I think this wave 3 is going to be a 3-wave move as well. Inside your A wave, you have a 5-wave move, inside your C wave as well, but ultimately we made a 3-wave move and now we're dumping. The 4-5 didn't happen, okay? So we might have something like that on Samsara as well, but then here locally on the micro. So instead of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm gonna shift into an ABC if we hit this 618 to the downside. As long as we don't do that, we can label this as a 5-wave move, or like try to label this as a 5-wave move to create this wave 3. But ultimately, the most important thing is we don't have an 886 here with this wave 2. That's good. For wave 3, we did pass the minimum requirements, and I mean for this wave 3 then, taken from this 1-2 setup, so it did what it had to, okay? And now wave 4, of course, if we label the wave 3 top in here, this is also where your highest volume is, then we'll have to take the next fips from this low, and your invalidation is all the way down here at 28.06, which gives us more room to the downside, and which is below than this cluster with the point of control and below this gap. So it gives me more confidence that this will hold, okay? So basically, either we're gonna have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in light blue here, or we're gonna have to delete this and put this wave 3 here, and put this wave 4 here, and then make one more 5th wave, okay? And then it might turn into like something like this in a diagonal, maybe. I don't think it's gonna make overlap, but I'm saying diagonal because of the 3-wave moves that we're having. But yeah, so nothing to worry. I think it's still, yeah, a good looking chart, good earnings. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. Sorry, it's a long video, but I had to explain it all, I think. Hope you liked it, and see you next time. Bye bye.